In this video, I will show you how you can redirect someone to thank you page when they fill the Elementor form. Let's first fill the Elementor form and see what happens. When we click on the send button, then it is saying your submission was successful. It doesn't redirect to any page. So let's do this. Open the form in Edit. I want to redirect them to this thank you page when someone filled the Elementor form. Copy the URL of the thank you page. Now go to Edit Form. Select the action after Submit. Click on the plus icon and select a redirect. You can see a new tab of redirect appears. Now paste the URL of the page here. And click on Update. Now let's test whether it is working or not. Refresh the page first. Fill the form again and click on Send. It is working 100%.